here goes nothing. We're in the Boundary Waters. It's my first time winter camping. Been collecting stuff over the last couple years and been really looking forward to this. So we got decent weather here today. It was -6 this morning, but it's a balmy 8 now with, you know, feels like temp of 0, so it's pretty nice. But we're supposed to get 4 to 5 inches of snow today, so gonna be interesting. It's gonna heat up though. It's gonna be 18, 20 for the high, so not too bad, but looking forward to it. We've got too much stuff back there, but it's my first time and I can start paring stuff down after this trip. Yeah, really looking forward to it. Here we go. Here goes nothing. Let's go. It's gonna be a lot of learning curves today, but like anything, doing something for the first time, figure out what works, what doesn't work, how to weight this thing. Yeah, I brought my own firewood because I didn't want to have to scrounge for firewood for one night, so yeah, anyways, we're gonna keep on keeping on. We're gonna go down the hill here and yeah, let's do it. Well, I knew this was going to be the most interesting part of the journey. It's getting down these steps, so let's see how it goes. This is going to be interesting. Well, we made it. Tipped, but that's okay. Alright, we're all loaded down again. Off we go. Nice little slide down the hill. That was, yeah. Oh well, it's an experience. We'll figure it out. One trip at a time. Gotta start somewhere, right? Oh, it's pretty though. Only one out here. Alright, got the snowshoes on. It's time to make our own path now. Here we go. Well, this is probably gonna be home for the night. First site I checked out was a little too windy on that site, a little exposed. And I don't know, I gotta figure out something. My sled keeps tipping over, but I don't know, maybe it's the way it's weighted or it just seems in my snowshoe tracks it keeps tipping over, but oh well, we'll figure it out. But we're here, time to set up and then figure it out from there. Well, we're finally getting her set up. Snow's starting to come down. It's pretty, but we got a lot of work to do. Well, getting set up here, little by little. Got some old pads I'm going to throw down first, and then throw this REI Helix on top. It's only a 4.9 pad, but hey, on top of these it'll work. Alright, so we'll see here. We got some down booties lofting up for in the sleeping bag here. Got a Marmot Trestle Elite 0 degree bag here that I picked up last year from REI. One of the pre-owned bags that somebody returned, and pretty nice. And then we got Free Outdoors, this down pillow topper with a pillow inside of it. So it'll be nice. Nice and comfy in here tonight. Well, as you can hear, it's definitely coming down out there. We'll work on getting the rest of the camp set up. Wind's picking up. At least we got this set up. But yeah, it's been a process to get this all figured out, but something new, something different. Trying the Durston out. Just picked this up off of Facebook this last fall, so really looking forward to that. So yeah, it's an experience. It's something new. We're ready for it though. We can do it. Well, we're back under the tarp here. Just a little spot of reprieve from this snow. It's yeah, it's pretty crazy out there. It's still drifting in here. But anyways, yeah, now to get something to drink, some food. Those are the two main things. One of the main things you forget to do is drink and eat. So do that and then kind of go from there. Figured out a lot of what doesn't work so far. I need to figure out what works. So yeah, I've got too much stuff, but I kind of knew that going in, and just trying to figure out what works and what doesn't work for things, so, and layers and different things. But yeah, we're gonna get some food in, get some drink in, and then maybe venture out here into the snowy beyond. Maybe grab a layer or two just in case. But yeah, it's beautiful though, now that I get to sit here and just enjoy it for a second. So gonna head out for a little adventure here, see what we can find. She's still windy and snowy. It's not gonna let up anytime soon. Just gotta watch out when you come to the portage up here. There's always some thin ice over here. Over there. Rock is huge. Pretty cool. Well, just caught my first sight of it. And wow, it gave me goosebumps just being here. Like, oh. So these pictographs are said to be 500 to 1,000 years old. There's a couple different theories about what exactly they are and are depicting, but either way, these are just amazing how they've been preserved over the years, and it's just beautiful, and it just feels almost spiritual here. Like, it's a crazy experience. I can't describe it. And to be snowing and crazy weather too, it's just, man, wow. I have no words right now. Oh, that was an experience. That was, man, that was cool. Oh, it was just, sometimes they talk about wilderness music, and man, that was just, something was speaking to me. Oh, that was cool. I don't want to leave, but gotta head back. get some food, and figure out camp for the night. So was a little discouraged there, and not having the greatest day. Just things going wrong, and the sled and snow blowing in my tent, and just it's been kind of a day, and oh, I needed that. That just made the whole trip worth it. That's awesome. Awesome. Just missed them. They flew over. Had some ravens fly over. That was cool to see some ravens. First real wildlife we've really seen this trip, so that was cool. We'll keep an eye out though. Pretty nasty weather though. I'm sure everybody's hunkered down. Ran into some people back there. On days like this, it's kind of nice, but otherwise it's been pretty quiet today. There's been some traffic going by, but it's just beautiful. Few tracks out here today, but not too many. They're all getting covered up by the snow, so it's hard to tell exactly what was what here. So pretty cool though. Pretty cool. I don't know. Sorry, I don't have any better words than that right now. Heading back to South Hegman Lake. Well, time to see how much damage the snow has done. Well, we got a little pile here. Yeah, tent's holding up. I just hope it's not blowing inside like it was before. Yeah, seems like it's doing alright. Good first test for it. All or nothing, right? Alright, we're back. Well, everything always takes at least 2 or 3 times longer when, you know, it's cold out and snowing. So, got changed, got some warm clothes on, got some warmer boots on, and I'm gonna make some supper here. It's about to get dark. Trying to figure out if I can have a fire. The wind is pretty strong yet, so we'll see. Alright, time to make some supper. Now that I finally got this thing lit. Took a little bit. Alright, some butternut dalbot. That'll hit the spot now. It's still snowing. It's getting dark now. Alright. Yeah, the sunrise was just a couple minutes ago here, so just starting to wake up. Nice, you know, 9 hours of sleep almost, so that's kind of nice. Snow didn't let up last night. It kept snowing, but so it'll be interesting to see how much snow we've actually got out there.
They were calling for 4 to 5 inches, so we'll see. The tent held up, so that's positive number 1 for the day. It's nice to get a fire in last night. That lifted the spirits a little bit after kind of a rough evening and just things weren't going right. But yeah, overall a great trip, and I'm still not sold on the sleeping pad. I don't know, I've taken on a couple other and I just kind of toss and turn on it. It kind of hurts my shoulders, so we'll see. Might need to find a different solution, but overall it's been good. Had a hot water bottle in last night and in the sleeping bag, so that helped warm it up, and got a little overheated at one point, so had to take that out, and then threw some hand warmers in this morning just to kind of warm up. And now I don't want to get out, and threw those in the boots, so the boots will be nice and warm when I'm ready to go. And see what we're gonna do this morning. Probably pack it up pretty early and head out, so we'll see. Overall, a good trip.
Man, what a beautiful morning. So calm and still now. Much better than yesterday. Snow on the trees, man. It's beautiful. Yeah, awesome. Alright. Now time to start digging out of this place. Get packed up and get on the road. Well, just having one more little snack here. Some little baby bananas from Trader Joe's and maybe a Snickers bar. We're just gonna keep it easy this morning. Nothing crazy. I don't feel like firing up the stove, and yeah, I just gotta get out of here. It always takes 10 times longer to pack up in the winter, but that's all right. Just sitting here enjoying this beautiful little spot for a little bit longer. So nice and peaceful. All right, one last check around camp here, and it'll be time to head out. Going up the hill is gonna be fun, but oh, it's a great trip though. Too bad it was only one night, but that's all I had time for. The girls had a dance Friday night, so went with them to that, and didn't really want to miss that for them. So they had fun there, and it was loud and noisy, and this is just the complete opposite. So this was much needed after that night. Oh, wind's starting to pick up too. So all right, time to head out. Well, this is gonna be a journey. It's a couple extras inches of snow really make pulling this thing fun. Well, luckily some people have alreed been out here today. I just had to get back to their path. Makes it a little easier. The sled keeps wanting to tip one way or the other. I don't know. Need to figure it out yet. I need to actually build a polk sled, but this was as good as we could get for now. All right, now onto the stairs. This will be fun. All right, back to the portage. Means we're close to the truck, which is sad. I could use one more night out here. Maybe another day we'll come back for 2 nights. Maybe when there's not snow in the forecast. All right, here we go. Up, up, up. Winter camping in the Boundary Waters is a lot more work than the summer. It's okay. It's fun to see it in 2 different seasons. I mean, look at this. It's just beautiful. Up another hill. Well, that's how much snow we got. Quite a bit. Well, that's a wrap. Winter camping trip is in the books. First winter camping trip, and we did it solo. And it was beautiful out here. The snow really made things beautiful. It added up. We had 4 or 5 inches, so that was quite the experience for my first trip. So all in all, it was great though. The pictographs yesterday were beautiful, and we figured out some stuff that doesn't work, some stuff that does. We can get rid of a bunch of stuff that I had extra, so that's good. Next time will be a little more streamlined, and we've got it figured out. So really looking forward to the next time, but it's time to get home. I got to get to those kids' swim lessons here, and also stop at Paragus. We're going to head to Quetico in May, and got to pick up a few things before then. I don't know if we're going to be back up here. So yeah, it was a great trip, and man, it's beautiful. The winter is a whole different experience in the Boundary Waters, and oh, awesome. Can't wait to get back up here. Can't wait to do it again. So thanks for following along. Until next time, take care of yourself.